Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am excited to share with you 9 powerful ways to multiply your savings with time. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your current saving strategies, these tips are guaranteed to help you reach your savings goals faster and more efficiently. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Tip 1. Start early. The first key to multiplying your savings with time is to start early. The power of compound interest is your best friend when it comes to growing your money. By starting to save and invest as early as possible, you give your money more time to work for you, resulting in exponential growth over the years. Tip 2. Set clear goals. Next, set clear and achievable savings goals. Having a specific target in mind will keep you motivated and focused on your saving journey. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or your retirement, clearly defining your goals will help you stay on track and multiply your savings more effectively. Tip 3. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to multiply your savings with time is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you'll save consistently without even thinking about it, and your money will have more time to grow and compound. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Tip 4. Diversify your investments. To maximize your savings growth, consider diversifying your investments. By spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can reduce risk and increase the potential for higher returns over time. Diversification is key to multiplying your savings and protecting your wealth. Tip 5. Reduce expenses. Another effective way to multiply your savings is to reduce your expenses. Take a close look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. By trimming unnecessary expenses and living below your means, you'll have more money to save and invest, accelerating the growth of your savings over time. Tip 6. Increase your income. In addition to saving money, consider ways to increase your income. Whether it's negotiating a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or investing in your skills and education, boosting your income will provide you with more money to save and invest, ultimately helping you multiply your savings faster. Tip 7. Reinvest your earnings. When your investments generate returns, reinvest those earnings to further grow your savings. Compounding returns will accelerate the growth of your money over time, allowing you to reach your savings goals sooner than you thought possible. Reinvesting is key to multiplying your savings and building long-term wealth. Tip 8. Stay informed. Stay informed about the financial markets and investment opportunities. Keep up to date with economic trends, market developments, and new investment options that could help you multiply your savings with time. Knowledge is power when it comes to growing your money, so educate yourself and make informed decisions about your saving strategy. Tip 9. Stay disciplined. Lastly, stay disciplined and committed to your savings plan. It's easy to get sidetracked or discouraged along the way, but remember that patience and consistency are key to long-term financial success. Stay focused on your goals, stick to your savings plan, and trust in the power of time to multiply your savings exponentially. In conclusion, multiplying your savings with time is a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and strategic planning. By implementing these 9 tips into your savings strategy, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and building long-term wealth. Remember, the earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money will have to grow. So, take action today and watch your savings multiply with time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.